Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best dog mat on the market. The Peepeego non-slip dog pads, extra large size, measuring a generous 72 by 72 inches. If you're a dog owner looking for a reliable, washable, and waterproof solution for training, whelping, or even for senior dogs with incontinence issues, this product could be a total game changer. The Peepeego dog pad is designed with a highly absorbent top layer that quickly soaks up to 8 cups of liquid, keeping your floors dry and your puppies comfortable. What's great is the top layer features a light gray color that cleverly hides any stains, so even after multiple uses, your pad will look cleaner for longer. There's no leaking through to the floor, no lingering odors, and no mess to worry about tracking around the house. One of the standout features is the upgraded non-slip rubber backing, which ensures the pad stays firmly in place even on slippery surfaces like tile or hardwood floors. This gives your dog better traction, which is especially important for puppies who are still learning to move around confidently or older dogs that need a bit more stability. The material used is polyester polar fleece, which feels soft and cozy under your dog's paws but is also incredibly durable. These pads are built to last through at least 300 washes, making them a highly economical and environmentally friendly alternative to disposable pads. Cleaning is easy. You just toss them into the washing machine on a warm cycle, tumble dry low or hang dry, and they come out looking fresh and ready to use again. What's really versatile about this mat is how many uses it has beyond just puppy training. It works perfectly as a whelping pad, protecting surfaces during the birth and early days of puppies. It's also great for use in playpens or as a protective layer for sofas, carpets, floors, or even car seats when you have an incontinent or elderly dog. The extra large size covers plenty of area, about 6 feet by 6 feet, which means you can cover large spaces easily or even cut it down to the size you need without worrying about it falling apart. For anyone worried about the mat sliding around, especially on tile floors, the non-slip backing really helps keep everything in place, giving you peace of mind and your pet the stability they need. Plus, it's light enough at just over 3 pounds to be portable, so you can move it around or take it along on trips. The Peepeego non-slip dog pad is thoughtfully designed to keep your home clean while offering comfort and convenience for your furry friend. Its waterproof and washable nature means it saves money and reduces waste compared to disposable pads. Whether you're potty training a new puppy, managing an older dog's incontinence, or just looking for a durable and easy-to-clean floor protector, this mat is an excellent investment. That's all for today's review on the Peepeego Extra Large Non-Slip Dog Pads. If you want a product that's absorbent, reusable, easy to maintain, and safe for your pet, this one definitely deserves a spot on your list. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our honest product insights. See you next time.